Toothbrush ka? Okay.
We don't know life before technology. I mean, especially like my generations. It's an important film that I think my generation should watch because I think that it
Are you
can
okay?
reflect on what
No.
life is like with technology.
Tama na yan.
Without and what that balance looks like.
Tama na yan.
That's what makes this era
Toothbrush ka pa?
set in the 90s
Look at
so
me.
nostalgic in a way.
Toothbrush ka pa?
We just didn't
Look
have
at Nana.
that kind of technology. We're forced to
Toothbrush ka pa?
play and be
Sagot.
with each other and be present. So it's
Si
not just
Opo.
a movie that's
Okay.
really great, rock
Patingin nga ng toothbrush mo.
sci-fi epic with great characters and big bright colors and
Patingin.
great set piece and action sequences.
Ayaw ka pa istorbo. Patingin.
Pwede gumawa ng Avengers movies.
Okay.
Nila sa gitna ng gulo sa mundo,